Hello children, yesterday we had discussed the morphology of root and today we are here discussing the morphology of stem. So how the stem is defined? The stem can be defined as the prolongation of plumule. What is plumule? Plumule is again a part of embryo which is present within the seed, as I have shown you radicle yesterday. So plumule is also the part of the embryo which elongates to form the stem. And what are the other characteristics of the stem are there? That it bears branches on which the flowers and fruits are there. But the most important characteristics of the stem is that it bears nodes and internodes. What is nodes? Node is a point where do the leaves arise, which I am going to show you in the notes and in the book also. And I am going to show you the real part of the plant also. The leaves arise on the nodes and the gap between two nodes is called as what? Internodes. Is that clear? Now it comes the function of the stem. The function of the stem is the same, that it bears branches on which the fruits are there, buds are there, leaves are there, flowers are there. Okay. And other function of the stem is that the water absorbed by the root, but that water is transported to the leaves and minerals are also transported to the leaves for the process of photosynthesis or for other various processes. The water and mineral is required, which is transported by the stem to the leaves. So this is the main function of the stem. But stem gets modified to perform various additional function. It get modified for the storage of food, for protection, to provide support and to perform physiological function. Again I am repeating, it get modified for the storage of food, get modified for providing support, get modified to provide protection, and it get modified to perform physiological function. Stem can be classified as erect stem, which are above the soil, and underground stem, which are below the soil. And some of them are creepers or subaerial stem, which creeps over the surface of the soil, which all I am going to show you in notes and in books in the book in the next video. Thank you.